Hello, good morning. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Actually, kami ng family ko. Explore natin tong Brain Talking pen na nabili namin. Or Brain Talking English, a fun and enjoyable way of learning kasama ng mga anak ko and family ko. Let's see kung ano yung mga pwede nating makita and ma-discover sa set na ito. I believe enjoyable siya. Kaya namin siya binilin. Especially para sa mga anak namin with special needs. And si Kuya James, he is diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder. So malaking bagay ito para sa kanya para ma-focus siya. And gagawin natin yung best na makapag-teach pa din kahit sa kanila, kahit na hyper sila. And unti-unti.
They look like a country that just sells refrigerators. You heard that? I thought refrigerator. Around.
So, ito yung mga poster na pwedeng ikabit. Naikabit na namin yung map of the Philippines tsaka world map. So, yan. Merong animals. May piano. Counting. Letters. Sige, you can, if you want.
Hello.
Colors. Vehicles.
Fruits. Body parts. That's it.
Okay.
And countries. And countries. And countries. And animals. And then a seahorse. And the dolphin. And the shark. And the...
Okay, next.
Here comes the thing.
Ito naman.
I'm waiting for opening this one.
Okay. Ito naman yung mga flashcards. So, yan. Matatanggal yan siya. Tatanggalin lang. Pero yung, sabi niya pwede rin daw idikit na lang din para hindi mawala. So, ito naman yung, ngayon ko pa lang din nakikita yung karamihan. Mga regions.
Insects.
What's this, Russell? Insects. Apo. Tapos may Sunday, Monday. Yan. Days of the week.
Wait,
Apo.
I see.
Okay. What are these, kuya?
Natural things. Natural disasters and natural
Ano ba ito? Weathers? Natural disaster.
humans and
Body parts. Apo.
two body parts and then one gremlin. And musical instruments.
Yes.
I don't even know what.
Okay, one at a
The
time.
wild.
The wild? Okay. So, hayaan na natin. Ano yung lupa niya tubig? Sige, they have their different...
That doesn't make sense. Why do you like Buster and the
Random na yan.
But-
Random.
I thought Buster to the peach butt.
Castle. What are these?
Wait, we have seen that.
Ano naman to?
And also that. And more days
Oh.
of the week.
Months.
The day.
These are months.
Of the day.
So, mayroong English tsaka Tagalog.
And
Ano bang writer? English Tagalog or English Filipino? Tama. English
records
Filipino.
and paper clips and
Countings. Okay, one at a time we'll talk. Okay po?
and
Ano yan?
Counting
more
pa niya.
counting.
Counting, more counting. Oh, ang dami na. Pang ilan na yun?
Animals and alphabet.
Animals and alphabets.
More
Yun yung arrangement niya pag
alphabets.
tinanggal mo.
More alphabets.
Okay. Okay.
More.
That's it.
Oh, kasali si baby sa pag
Oh wait, Popeye. I saw a crocodile. I saw that one. I saw
Okay.
that one.
Umagang-umaga,
I
excited.
found the cookie.
So, hyper to silang dalawa, ha? So, maganda to para
That's my favorite.
doing our best na makalma sila. Okay, excited sila dito. Freebie to eh. Okay, dito naman po tayo. I know you're excited, pero
Wait, can I film? I
So, ito
want
na
to
yung-
film.
ito na yung talking. You have your turn later po, ha? Talking pen.
That actually get mixed up when you get that off.
Okay. Okay, let's try.
Let's start with talking pen.
Okay. Try that one.
So, try ko sanang videohan to kagabi, pero sige, isama na rin natin
Try
sila.
colors. New colors.
Okay. Let's try to be quiet first, ha? Para ma-demo natin.
Bear. Baseball. Bat. And.
Okay, try natin yung spelling.
And.
What about that? Okay.
Australia.
Ayun, Tagalog. Filipino.
A. Apple. Manzanas.
Okay.
No. Apple. No.
Huh? It's this one.
Pula. Red. No.
It's this one.
Blue. Azul. Good job.
See?
Pula.
You can change it.
No.
Wait, why is this one upside down?
Ba't siya nagna-know? Ayan, pinifigure out pa namin.
They're upside down. I'm fixing it.
Okay.
But this still
It's okay. Okay, meron siyang 2 free na classic stories. Sabi, merong for girls and for boys. So, either way naman, pwede naman.
This one's for my baby, and then that one's for baby, and then the other one's for me and my brother.
Okay. So,
Little Mermaid.
okay. Okay na. Yeah, okay na. Pakita na natin yung kung how many books. Isa-isa. Love. Okay na. Rest muna si Talking Pen. Let's,
Just turn it off.
let's, kasi
Just
meron,
turn it off.
okay.
I know.
So, meron siyang
touch
lesson.
that.
Pagka isabay daw natin siya, ito, pakitanggal mo na tong songbook. Meron ding mga songbook, parang dalawa.
My.
How many songbook?
And also a charger. What's it?
Okay, one at a time po, ha. There are, how many? 2 songbooks.
I wanted to start with that.
Tapos, ang sabi sa akin, may book, tapos may workbook. Mas maganda siya na pagsabayin siya. Tapos, isa-isa lang. How many books yung ano? Tingnan lang natin kung how many lessons we have. Sige, later
No
na yan.
touching. Remember our deal? No touching it.
Grade 7 to, di ba?
Sabi kasi nila hanggang grade 7. So, ngayon ko pa lang din.
For you.
He's waiting for us na daw. Okay? So,
Nobody touched it.
okay, ito yung mga books. Well, hindi na natin isa-isahin kasi sobrang dami. May alphabet, may phonics, book 2, spelling, 1,000 words. Ayan. So, may lesson siya. May number. So, pagka tinuro siya, isa-isa lang. Kaya, we are planning na gumawa talaga ng lesson plan per day. I think 36 lahat siya eh.
16 pages.
It's not pages. So, ayan. Ganun kasi siya in-arrange para hindi nakakalito.
16 books. Not
And this one.
16 pages. 16 books.
Okay.
Correct. That has to be 6. More.
So, ngayon ko pa lang din nakikita yung mga ano.
8. 7.
Okay. Okay, patingin lang. Okay, sige.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Kung mapansinin yung counting nila, I'm not sure kung
Okay, smash it.
Nakakalo.
16. What are Can we have no upside down? Papa fixed all of the upside down.
we're just, ganyan talaga siya natin nakuha. Sige.
Can we talk about that thing? Talking pen?
Okay. So, classic stories. Yan.
Let's put that. How about
And
put
Snow
one in
White,
each one?
Pinocchio. Yan. Sige, tapos na tayo dyan. Ayan, may kasama rin siyang charger. Tapos na tayo dyan. Dito tayo sa kabila.
Ay, kuya. Ow.
May baby pa kami doong isa.
Now we
Okay.
can finally start. Can I do this one?
So, we will check this muna.
Wait.
Quiet lang po muna, ha?
Papa.
Ayan. So, ito, kailangan tanggalin siya per step.
Step 1.
Step 1, ganyan.
Don't touch it.
Mas maganda na sunod-sunod siya.
Don't touch it.
So, hindi ko pa rin nakikita
No, don't
yung
touch
anong... It's okay. Just... Okay.
Don't get it. Don't get it.
Meron siya sa cognitive, diba? Ano?
Cognitive.
It makes the shape for that.
Okay. Sige. Mathematics development. Okay.
There's so many. Oh.
There's a lot nga eh. Logical reasoning. Okay. So, try natin yung isa para ma-demo natin yung
Wait,
isa.
but I want to...
Ayan, mag-sample tayo ng isa.
Ito yung sagot. Yung question. Sa likod.
The other way
Okay, so
around.
other. Sige, let's try. Sige, you try.
Okay.
One at a time. Okay. Sige, you try, kuya.
No, do it.
What color is this? What this one?
Are you sure? I don't think.
This one?
You need to, follow the line.
Yeah, I already know it is. Yeah. Yeah.
Tingnan natin kung tama, ah. Dinemo na siya kahapon, pero... Sige, okay. Russell's turn naman, kuya.
This one?
No. It's purple. It's purple. Red. Wait. Red. No, wait.
Okay.
Yan. Yung talaga yung logic na ganyan.
Oh, whoa.
One at a time. Russell's turn na, kuya. Oh, purple?
I'm with purple.
Follow the line.
Okay. Russell's, okay, calm down. Your turn, kuya.
That's easy. The last one.
O, sige, let's check kung tama, ha? Ayan, ipapaliktad lang. Tapos,
Correct.
ayan. So, ganyan yung sample niya. So, marami itong ganito pieces. Sa isang ganito, I think, mga... Okay, calm down.
Can
Okay.
we restart?
Okay.
Can we restart?
Ayan. Parang 31. Mayroon 31 na... Ano to?
Can we restart?
Slide.
Slide, oh. Parang slide, or hindi naman siya page.
Can we restart?
Tapos, ilan na ganito?
Can we-
Quiet po muna. Okay. Tapos, mayroong isa, sorry sa umiiyak, 2, 3, 4,
Baby.
5,
I'm finding 2.
6. So, 6. Tapos 31 yung mga nasa loob. So, mahaba talaga. Kaya hanggang grade 7 siya or grade 6 eh. Nason. Kasama din tong mga map of the Philippines. Ayan, tsaka world map.
Map of the Philippines.
Kasama siya nito. Tapos may instruction sa loob. Ayan. So, ayan siya lahat. Pakita ko tong, try lang natin tong isa.
Yeah, what do?
Okay, pa. Ito, ang ganda nito, oh. Tingnan nyo. Ayan.
No, it's not on. No, you have to hold it. Okay.
Long press. Diba?
Let's start with talking.
Not there. I'm not, kuya.
Roller coaster.
Huh?
Samar. Samar is a province located on Samar Island in eastern Visayas. Its capital is Catbalogan City. It is the third largest part of the Visayan Islands.
Okay.
This province is the main supplier of fish for
Oh,
Luzon
mahaba
Island,
pa pala.
Mindanao Island, and Visayas.
So, may mga trivia siya.
Samar has 20 scenic spots. All resorts are located in the beach and have natural springs.
Okay. Isa pa. Tagasan ba kayo? Try natin tong, Quezon City.
Quezon. Quezon was named after Manuel L. Quezon, the second and first freely elected president of the Philippines. Its capital is Lucena.
Province pala yun. Sorry.
Balisin Island is one of the best tourist spots in this province. It is considered as one of the most luxurious island resort in the Philippines.
Alright, let's try Philippines. So,
Okay. Try natin tong. Wait, kuya.
Bolivia. Flora National State of Bolivia. Bolivia is located in western central South America. Its capitals are Sucre and La Paz. The population is around 11 million and the official languages are Spanish and Quechua.
alright.
The main religion is Catholicism and the
Korea.
currency is the
Korea.
Boliviano.
Wait for
The
a
whole
while.
city of Sucre is a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Korea.
Salar de Uyuni is the world's largest salt flat, and Lake Titicaca is the largest lake in South America.
Okay. So, overwhelming siya kung isasabay-sabay natin,
Yeah.
'di ba?
Yeah.
Kaya, kailangan ko talagang gumawa ng lesson plan para dito.
I want to do Korea.
Kung ano yung unahin namin.
South Korea.
Although, si
Republic
Kuya
of Korea.
James,
South
Yan,
Korea
meron-
is located on the Korean
mahilig siya
Peninsula
sa mga
in
flag,
Northeast
so
Asia.
maganda.
Its capital is Seoul.